recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, well, for me it's tonight, but when this is uploaded it's gonna be in the daytime. So today's look is this purple, sparkly, smoky cat eye kind of look, and I have like little sparkles at the, you know. And stay tuned because I'm not gonna do like a full-on like detailed kind of like content. I just decided to do one eye and explain to you guys how I did it, what what products I use, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. The palette I'm using is the New Balance Mini Juvia's palette. I'm going in with the very lightest shade, and if my voice sounds weird, I literally just woke up, so don't say I'm sick because your girl is not sick, period. I need to stop saying the word period, like that is just getting too addictive right now. Oh, and this one I didn't show, but I'm using the darkest shade in the same palette, but I forgot to show it, I'm sorry. Now this other shade is the lightest shade, and I'm just blending it out, and then after that you'll see me adding the deepest shade again and then blending it out to my desired look. Okay, for this part, I'm showing you guys how I cut my crease. I basically follow as you can see, the shadow line where I put, the products into my crease. And I'm not going over it, but I'm kind of like being right next to it. So I'm showing you guys how I cut my crease, and this is how. But with a twist to it. As you can see, the other eye, doing right now is like a little wing, little cat eye. It'll look like a hot mess, but to fix it, just use like a makeup remover and then fix it to your desired shape, how perfect the line you want it to be, and yeah. Now for the crease, I'm going in with that purple shade, and then after that I'm going over that with the shimmer shade. The palette I was using is the BH Cosmetic Ultimate palette, I believe. It's like the 42 shade with matte and shimmers. So as you can see, it didn't focus, and yeah, I'm really sorry. Oh, now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild black liner. I forgot what it's called, but it's a black liner from Wet n Wild, and I am smudging that out with the black shade on the Beige Cosmetic palette, and then I'm going in with the deeper shade and then Juvia's palette that I used, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the lightest shade in the Juvia's Place palette. Okay, so I'm using my Duo Lash Glue and I'm putting it all over the glitter, and the loose glitter I'm using is from AliExpress. I didn't show too much because I was not on the frame, so yeah, here it is. So I wasn't really focusing on the face too much because this video I was wanting it to be like mainly on my eye because it's more detailed look. So here's a clip of me doing my face, but this is not how I would normally do my face. Just like a quick, do my face, because this was literally at 1 in the morning. So please cut me some slack. Don't judge me. I'm not dirty. Yeah. Now for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Lingerie Push-Up. I believe this is the shade After Hours. And here's a close-up of my mouth, which is, I find it gross, but excuse my mustache, you know, we're in quarantine, who cares? Now this really light shade, it's from Anastasia Liquid Lipstick and Naked. And then after that, after blending it out, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique gloss, lip gloss, I believe, lip gloss, whatever. Sorry, I believe the shade is Bubbly Pop, correct me if I'm wrong. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. Don't forget to go ahead, like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram because that's where I'll be more active on my, you know, makeup page. Description down below. See you guys next time. Bye.